Samsung's biggest event of the season is almost here. Galaxy Unpacked 2026 is officially scheduled for February 25, 2026, and it's shaping up to be one of the most important tech launches of the year. The spotlight will be on the brand new Galaxy S26 series, along with some exciting extras. Let's start with how you can watch it. Samsung will host the Unpacked 2026 keynote in San Francisco at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, which is 1 p.m. Eastern Time. While the event will take place in person, anyone around the world can tune in online. Samsung will livestream the entire keynote on its official YouTube channel, and also on Samsung's website. So no matter where you are, you'll be able to watch the announcements live. Now, the main focus of the event will be the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung is expected to unveil three models: the Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Plus, and the top-tier Galaxy S26 Ultra. All three phones are rumored to get a slight redesign this year. Based on leaked renders, we may see a camera bump on the back. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to feature rounder edges, making it look more in line with the S26 and 26 Plus. The Galaxy S26 Ultra could bring some interesting upgrades. Reports suggest it may include a new privacy display feature. This display would automatically hide on-screen content from people looking at your phone from the side. That could be a major feature for users who care about privacy in public spaces. The Ultra model is also rumored to get a more advanced screen with 10-bit color support. That should improve color depth and overall visual quality. Charging speeds may also get an upgrade, and while camera improvements are expected, they may not be huge changes this time around. As for the Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus, the redesign is expected to be more subtle. They may become slightly slimmer, and the standard Galaxy S26 could get a small display size increase. Reports suggest it could grow from 6.2 inches to 6.3 inches compared to the previous model. Under the hood, all three Galaxy S26 models are expected to run either Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor or Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chip, depending on the region. That means performance improvements are almost guaranteed. But the phones are not the only products expected at Unpacked. Samsung is also likely to introduce the Galaxy Buds 4 series. This should include both the Galaxy Buds 4 and the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Leaked images show a refreshed design with metal strips on the outside of the stems. This new look may help them stand out more and look less similar to AirPods. The regular Galaxy Buds 4 are expected to keep an all-plastic build, similar to previous models. The Buds 4 Pro, however, may come with silicone eartips for better comfort and improved noise isolation. Of course, AI will play a big role at this event. Samsung has already teased AI-powered features for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, including the privacy screen. We can also expect new AI tools for photography. There are rumors about AI image generation features as well, possibly powered by a new partnership with Noda AI. AI is clearly becoming a core part of Samsung's strategy, and Unpacked 2026 will likely highlight how Galaxy AI is evolving. Now, let's talk about what we probably won't see. Despite earlier rumors, the Galaxy S26 Edge is not expected to appear at this event. Reports suggest Samsung has either cancelled or delayed the model. The previous super slim Edge device did not perform as well as hoped, and it seems Samsung may be rethinking that strategy. We also should not expect new foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 8 or Galaxy Z Flip 8. Those devices are usually reserved for Samsung's Summer Unpacked event. The same goes for new smartwatches. So on February 25, the focus will be clear: the Galaxy S26 series, the Galaxy Buds 4 lineup, and new Galaxy AI features. If the leaks are accurate, Galaxy Unpacked 2026 could deliver meaningful upgrades, smarter AI tools, and a refined design for Samsung's flagship lineup. It's definitely an event worth watching.